impact the predator or the effect of a pesticide application, we always evaluate them in terms of any change in the population size. Okay, so anything is kind of related to the population size. The size in nature could be as low as lesser than 10, which is the Siberian cranes at Bharatpur wetlands, very important, and in an year, or go into millions like Chlamydomonas in a pond. So the population size, technically called the population density, designated as capital N, need not necessarily be measured in numbers only. Okay, so you can go count everywhere and find out the population density. It need not be measured in numbers only. Although the total number is generally the most appropriate measure of population density, it is in some cases either meaningless or difficult to determine. Right? So in an area, if there are 200 grass, so this is an example, right? Okay, I will just Parthenium Hysterophorus, which is carrot grass. Okay, so but only a single huge banyan tree with a large canopy, stating that the population density of banyan is low relative to that of carrot grass, amounts to underestimating the enormous role of the banyan in that community, right? So the population density of banyan is low relative to that of the carrot grass. So in such cases, the percent cover or biomass is a more meaningful measure of the population. Total number is again not an easily adoptable measure if the population is huge and counting is impossible or very time consuming. If you have a dense laboratory culture of bacteria and a petri dish, what is the best measure to report its density? Sometimes for ecological investigation, there is no need for the absolute population density. Relative density serve the purpose equally well. So what happens is, for instance, the number of fish caught in a fish caught per trap is good measure for its total population density in the lake. We mostly obliged to estimate population sizes indirectly without actually counting them or seeing them. So the tiger census in our national parks and tiger reserve is often based on the pug marks and the fecal pellets. Very important, the pug marks and the fecal pellets. Okay, so this was the MCQ that we saw today also. In one of the MCQs, it was given how do we measure the tiger reserves. Okay, how do we take the tiger census? So we have to see what percent cover or biomass is. Okay, so the first 10 minutes we have seen the introduction. In the next session, we will be seeing about population growth, where we will be seeing about a few, four important terms, growth models, which includes the exponential growth and the logistic growth, and a table also. Thank you.